Bank of Canada has decided not to change interest rates. There is no change, there's no increase, and I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. And exactly why I said there'd be no change in interest rates is because our annual inflation rate has actually ticked up in December, and we need to get down to 2%, and that is exactly where Tiff Macklem, the Bank of Canada, needs to get down in order to start to lower interest rates. He has said many times we have to get our target inflation down to 2%. And over the next year, the potential for rate hikes is still there. And there was somewhat of a stressful tone from the Bank of Canada saying that there will be some bumps in the road on the way to the first interest rate drop. The Bank of Canada has stressed that we will not see any rate declines until we get closer to the 2%. And let's face it, there has been so much stress on Canadians with inflation being over 3%. And even if we hover around 3%, there's a hell of a lot of increase in price year over year for any Canadians to swallow. Ultimately, guys, the Bank of Canada has no change. There will be no change. We have to get the inflation down to below 3% and down to 2% in order for there to be any change in interest rates. So hang tight, because we still got a long way to go.